Hi everybody. Today I received this package in the mail. I just got it. I wasn't too sure what it is because I have not opened it, but I had a hunch. I think I might know what this is. So let's just go ahead and open this. Okay, shall we? So it's very nicely wrapped. I'm gonna open this, and there's nothing written on there. Okay, so let's cut it open, and let's see what this is about. Let's see, where am I going to cut it open on this one? Let's just do it this way. How about that? Now, let's see if I open this way. Let's see. How about this one? You open this way. Okay. The tape here, it's a lot of tape. But I'm anxious to open. I don't know what this is. I'm really anxious to open. Okay, let's just open it the hard way. How about that? Oh, I see. Okay, it's right here. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it right here. So even if I destroy the box, I don't really care. I think I know what this is. Okay, let's throw this box away. We don't need that anymore. We don't need this package anymore. It's very carefully wrapped. There's a, oh, there we go. See? Bullion exchange. So this gotta be, it's gotta be this pieces of gold right here. It says right here. People, see that? Okay, so, I mean, gosh, this is the first time I ordered from Bullion Exchange. I'm super excited. First time, it's my second time order for online, by the way. First time you guys saw me, I got it from JM Bullion. Great piece of gold. And look at that, very carefully wrapped. And wow, another layer of wrapping. That is crazy good, crazy meticulous. Okay, well, either way you can't really try it, right? Look at that. So, look at this. Beautiful covering with a nice Bullion Exchange logo on it. Okay. Looking to sell? I don't think I'm gonna sell my gold. Oh gosh, would you look at this piece? Beautiful. Look at the back. How shiny this piece of gold is. You know what they say on internet? Shiny is the real stuff. And let's check. The gold is really pure. And let's check this. So against my heart frequency is good, liver frequency is good, open regulation is good. It's good for the organs, spiritual, emotions, all good. So this is a pure 24K gold without any bad effect on it. Pure stuff. I was worried if I could, if I might get bad stuff online, but this is good quality gold. Okay, so, well, this ends my opening unboxing of this 1 ounce PAMP pieces of gold bar.